headshots already there?
Yeah, that's about 2 o'clock on the big.
Ah.
Shooting just a little bit high. This is a hair trigger. Howa model 1500, 6.5 Creedmoor at 100 yards. I think I drilled the same hole.
Yeah.
$140 grain hollow point boat tail. Cool.
Going on hot on the left. Cool. Going hot again. Or not.
There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. Let's go with 4.
All right.
Fire in the hole. Aim a little high. There, I got some stuff. And I'm clear.
Let's see where we hit. Just aiming with the laser. That might not be so bad. I'm good. No moss, maybe? Remember if this has a magazine disconnect. Nope. Shit, I'll take it.